Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking in prerequisites: good sleep, hydration, and a realistic goal. This primes hormonal balance and recovery. Once done, measure your waist and posture so you can track progress, and set a modest 200-400 kcal daily deficit to protect muscle while trimming fat. Next, begin movement now, 15-20 minutes of brisk walking or low-impact cardio daily, because immediate consistency beats perfect plans. Make sure to avoid crunch-only thinking. The goal is to burn stored abdominal fat while preserving core integrity. You now shift into the complex middle. Strength training 3 times weekly, prioritizing squats, deadlifts, rows, and presses to raise metabolic rate and protect lean mass. Once strength is established, layer targeted core work, anti-rotation holds, dead bugs, and progressively longer planks to retrain the abdominal wall and posture. Make sure to increase NEAT throughout the day. Standing, brief walks, and 5-minute mobility breaks amplify calorie burn. Finally, adjust calories and protein as strength grows. That preserves muscle while shrinking the mummy tummy pooch. You finish by consolidating gains. Keep tracking waist, strength, and body composition weekly, and tweak calories every 2-3 weeks rather than making abrupt changes. Once you complete a cycle, schedule a deload or recovery week every 4-6 weeks to prevent burnout and hormonal setbacks. If progress stalls, make sure to audit sleep, stress levels, and protein. Insufficient sleep or 20-25 g protein per meal undermines fat loss and muscle retention. Remember, small, consistent actions win over extreme short-term fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.